Hi, it's Lil from Made by Marley, and here's Martin and I working away in the shed, getting ready to complete some rustic decor trees. There's 4 completed ones here, and we're just about to apply some VOC friendly stain to the sides, the bottom and the base of each tree, and this is them just drying in the sun before I give each bottom a different colour of chalk paint. I'm then using a loyalty card to apply texture and some interest to the base of each one of the trees in coordinating colours, which goes with the IOD transfer ladies in waiting. Here's some of the interesting colour that I'm pointing out, and here's our ladies in waiting, one of the flowers from the ladies in waiting transfer, which I'm applying with the IOD tool onto a dust-free surface. So here's 4 of our trees ready to go onto our website. If you've really enjoyed this little short video from us and you'd like to see more on what we're up to, crafts, building, DIYs, upcycles, then please consider subscribing or push the bell notification so that you're notified when we release a new video, and give us a big thumbs up. We hope to see you again soon. Thank you.